The summoning of the Great Shih is a ritual because it is a religious performance that was performed in the belief that the Great Shih will give the Tsutsus good fortune. It differentiates itself from just a regular group meeting through various actions. There is a repeated set of steps that the group must do each month to ensure that it is performed correctly. There is a distinct period of time and place. In this case, it is once a month on the day of the full moon when they are all surrounded by nature. This differs from a regular group, as a regular group meeting can occur at any time and any place. There is symbolism in this ritual in that the treat is a sign of an offering to the Great Shih, and the licking of the hand is a show of good luck.
To perform this, the ritual must be done surrounded by nature. A small plant is then placed in the center of the circle. 4 Tsutsus will play a chant and start walking around the plant. This allows them to connect with each other and put their energy together. By uniting their energy, the plant is able to absorb the Tsutsu's energy and grow them 5 times than its normal rate. As they bound together and bow down, the plant is filled with energy and good vibes. At this point, the plant is now fully grown. Each Tsutsu will now put 5 treats in the plant. This is given so the dog will come and join them in this sacred ritual. Then, at last, the Great Shih has finally appeared once they give the treats into the plant. The Tsutsus bow down to the Great Shih without making eye contact. When the Shih has wagged her tail 3 times, the Tsutsu's respect has been accepted. To get a good blessing from the Great Shih, each Tsutsu must offer her a treat.